Next, we will stitch this chevron stitch. Bring the needle through on the far left side. Then bring the needle through at this small horizontal line towards the center. Next, we will stitch the upper part. The second stitch comes through the center position, pointing to the left. Again, point to the center position. We can adjust the tension of the floss while we stitch. Remember to point the center to the left. Then point from the right to the center position. Okay, let's repeat the previous steps. Remember to place the floss above the needle. Similarly, place the needle above the floss below. Bring the needle down for the last stitch at the end position. The chevron stitch is now complete.